Hi, and welcome to Two Tired Teachers. Today I'm going to be replacing this stabilizing jack, and you can see it doesn't close all the way. Years ago when we had the fifth wheel, I replaced the one on the door side. The one I need to replace this time is on the passenger side, but the old one was a scissor jack. This is a light pressure jack, light trailer jack, sorry. And they attach a little bit differently, so I thought I might as well go on and make the video and show you what's the same and what's different. And when we got this is a pair of jacks, and it does come with a new crank as well. And so you can see this one is closed nice and tight. And there is the new crank. And it also comes with hardware. Now, do not assume that all hardware is created equal, and you're going to see that in just a few minutes. But this does come with standard hardware. There are 3 bolts holding this jack on, and one toward the middle of the trailer, and then one on each side at the outside of the trailer. First thing I did was hold the new jack up just to double check and make sure that the holes were going to line up. The bolt I was taking off required a 9/16. Yours may be different. But just went around to all 3 of these nuts and loosened them. I did not take them out at this point. My goal here was simply to get them loose, make sure that if I needed to spray some WD-40 up there or something, I had an opportunity to do that. Then I got some wood to support the jack as I took these bolts off. And that really does make it a lot easier. You don't not having to try and hold it. Now, you notice the new jacks did not come with the little foot at on the bottom. So all I'm doing is spraying some WD-40 on here to let it soak. And here is the screw I took off, and you notice it's much heftier than the ones that came with the new jack. So I am reusing the bolts that I took off. It goes through the hole on the new jack just fine. And so now I'm simply going to go around and line up all 3 of these and hand tighten them, make sure that I get all of the holes lined up, using those wooden blocks to support the jack while I do this. And then it's just simply a matter of going around to all 3 of the bolts and tightening those down. While I'm doing that, the WD-40 has had a chance to work its magic. I then take the, it's just a long screw that's holding that foot in place, take it off, and then I come over to the new jack that has been installed, and it's just a matter of lining it up and placing that long screw through there, taking that lock nut and then screwing it as tightly as I can by hand, and then just simply tighten it all the way I can. You do want to leave some sway in this so that as it goes down, it has a chance to flatten out while you're stabilizing it. And now you can see we have the new jack is installed, and it extends completely and it retracts completely, which is going to be so nice. Now, when we're pulling in and out of those gas stations, we're no longer going to be having that drag. If you have a light trailer jack that needs to be replaced, I hope this video has helped. Thanks for watching Two Tired Teachers.